Hi, I'm Matt. Rangemaster has asked me to present the following information to help ensure the connection of your new range cooker can be completed on the day of delivery by following this simple pre-installation information. This setup guide is designed to present you with an overview of the essential pre-installation requirements for your new cooker. For full details, it is highly recommended that you refer to your installation guide available from the Rangemaster website. Check number 1, the electrical connection. Your cooker must have an accessible isolation switch that is within 2 meters of the appliance and in the same room. For dual fuel cookers, you'll need a dedicated 32 amp electrical supply using a 6mm feed from the consumer unit. Due to a change in the design of the rear panel on our cookers, the use of a surface-mounted electrical connection box, as depicted in this video, is no longer suitable. The connection box should not protrude more than 30mm from the wall, which means that the box should be a recessed type. The cooker connection point should be positioned to the rear of the appliance. If you need to make any alterations to your electrics, then you'll have to seek the services of a qualified electrical contractor. Check number 2, the gas connection. Your side-facing micropoint fitting should be positioned within a specific target area suitable for your appliance, which can be found in the installation guide. Each model may have a different target area. Avoid, where possible, installing a forward-facing fitting, as this may not allow the cooker to sit back against the rear wall. Should you need to make any alterations to your gas supply, then you will need to seek the services of a qualified gas-safe registered engineer. Check 3, ventilation requirements. For gas cookers, there must be a minimum of 1 openable external window in the same room as the appliance. Check 4, hot zone. This is an area at the rear of the cooker that must be kept free from any surface furniture or fittings, such as isolation switches or plug sockets. The area must be the full width of the cooker and a minimum of 650mm above the hob, depending on your model. Please see the installation guide for your cooker for specific requirements. Sockets such as this within the hot zone would have to be moved by a competent electrician. The cooker must have side clearance above hob level of a minimum of 75mm up to a height of 410mm. This can be reduced to 25mm for non-combustible materials, but please do see your installation instructions for guidance. Should your new Rangemaster cooker be replacing an existing appliance, it is important to ensure that any existing services meet current regulations. We strongly recommend that you move your cooker away from the wall and have your gas and electrical connection points checked by competent persons before delivery to ensure a successful connection. We hope you have found this short video helpful and that it will assist you in the successful connection of your new appliance. However, this video does not replace the need to download and study the full manufacturer's installation guide, and all work should be carried out by fully qualified persons. Thanks for watching.